Hey ShockBox, how's it going? Welcome to another video and welcome to 2020. Some new equipment and some new ideas. Really excited to be talking to you today. So the first thing you may have noticed is actually the quality change. We've also got a bit of a different backdrop. This might change slightly, but for the most part, the equipment and everything is going to stay pretty much identical. So I've got a couple of videos in the works, but before I get into what those will be, I want to say a special shout out to a company called Genesis who sent us actually for the channel our very first product to check out. So this is their Genesis keyboard. We're going to be taking a look at that. I'll take a look at it in a little moment. They also sent a absolutely massive, just awesome tech gadget bag, which we'll check out in a little bit as well. This thing is a beast, and I just wanted to give them a special shout out because it's the first company that's ever sent us a product here on the channel to check out. It means a lot, and we've actually got a lot more stuff like that coming up in the future, and it's really exciting for me. But before I get to that, I just want to say a massive thank you, to you guys, the audience. I think in the lifespan of this channel, we've had so many revivals that it's kind of like a meme at this point on this channel. The short version of the story is, it's a perfectionist in me that really struggles to make these videos and publish them. But I've spent a lot of time researching, learning, and even from our first video, which was done in a garage with curtains all around me, with the worst audio and just awkward lighting, to now where I actually have professional equipment, I'm happy to upload videos now. So yes, we're going to concentrate on videos. It's exciting. I'm not going to make this a we're back video because I think uploading video speaks for itself. I just want to say I know and I'm sorry, but I think things are looking pretty good now, so it's quite exciting for me. Actually, as a fun little thing, it would be really cool for you guys to let me know what kind of products or companies you want me to reach out to try and show you some of their products. I've been in contact with as many as possible, and I've had some people get back to me already, which is really awesome. But for the moment, the first product is coming tomorrow, so that's exciting. So just to tell you a little about the changes and stuff, at the moment we've got this camera right here, which is my A-roll or my primary thing. We can turn off the lights here. There you go. But there we go. So yeah, and we've got another light down there, as you may have seen, but we've got some cool lighting. I do want to get another light. It's actually right here. We've also got a microphone, which is literally right here. I can lower it down for you. Hello. But that needs to be on a stand as well, but we'll get there. And then in the future, I'd like to get a couple more cameras like this, sync them all up and have multiple angles. I think that would be awesome. It's what I did in some of my other videos and it worked really well. So yeah, but you know, equipment's expensive, so we'll have to work hard for that, I think. So let me show you a few of the camera angles here. So we've got this one, as I said, this is the front A-roll cam. This is where I'm going to do most of my intros and things like that. And then we've got this shot. This is actually my looking down at a product, unboxing a product. I really do like my older style of sitting at a desk and kind of talking to you guys and having it front facing, and kind of the unbox therapy style. I really enjoy watching and that sort of a thing. But for me personally, I don't have the equipment to have that set up, so it's going to be close, personal, and we're going to be having shots like this where I'm looking at things really up close and really getting perspective on what we're looking at. So that in combination with the front row like this, front row, I'm going to call this the front row. Having this and other stuff is going to be good, I think. So anyway, let's take a look at what we got sent from our very first partner. So Genesis, I just want to say thank you for believing in me, the channel, and sending us some products to check out. I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy seeing your products in beautiful video quality. And yeah, here it is, guys. Take a look. So here we have the Genesis Thor 200. It's a really different kind of keyboard that I've not really tried before. It's a hybrid mechanical and membrane keyboard. It's RGB. I will say the RGB is really nice. It feels good. Has some cool I/O. In fact, something you don't see in all keyboards. And the feel of the key press is pretty nice. So if you get a chance to take a look at it, I'll link to it down in the description. I suggest you do. But in terms of the keyboard and how it feels really nice and surprisingly nice for a non-mechanical keyboard, which I normally always go for. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to drop a like. I'm looking forward to making new videos here on the channel with some absolutely stellar quality. Feel free to check out more videos here on the channel and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribed. I'll do the backpack in another video. I think I might do a Gamertech backpack special. So thank you for watching. You guys are amazing. This is ShockBox, and I'll see you next time.